Greetings! Today I want to show you a quick glance at the visual style of my game. It has an anime aesthetic. I used some simple shaders in the character and background. It has an isometric view, so the world will be constructed mainly using cubes. This is a test of how the surface of the world will look like. The surface will look bright and colorful. The main character will be changed later. This one is just for testing purposes. As you can see, you can control the zoom of the camera. You can view the character up close or watch the stage from afar. This is an example of how the underground areas will look like. The darkness of this dungeons will make the player feel unsafe. It's the complete opposite of the warm and cozy nature of the surface. The player will must fight against the enemy robots on this dungeons, the Autonoma. The player will have to watch out for their red glowing eyes in the darkness, or listen closely to their mechanical footsteps. Once the robots have been destroyed, they will drop some parts and modules. These could be later used to create weapons and armor for your characters. If you like this project, please like, comment, and subscribe.